Fed up Pinellas County timeshare owners say there has been little progress made to repair their beach resort on Belleair Beach since last year's hurricanes. Not long after 8 on Your Side told their story, owners of another timeshare property under the same management contacted us saying that it's happening to them too. Our investigator Brittany Muller joining us live in studio with the update.
Keith, good evening. We told you about the Nautical Watch. Owners there are continuing to pay dues without any plan or timeline for repair over a year later. Now it's also happening to the Grand Shores West, and they're all left to wonder, what are they paying for? For the past 12 years.
Our daughters and our grandkids have been here, and their families have been here with us several times, and it's just, it's a great place. We love it here.
But last year's hurricanes left the Grand Shores West on North Redington Beach in rough shape. The timeshare was deemed substantially damaged in February.
In a way, they've kind of caused more damage by not doing any work to it.
Ron and Lillian Chapman are left paying their annual dues of $800 for their 1 week, despite it left sitting and deteriorating.
Where did all this money go that went in there in January 1st of this past year?
Chapman claims the over 1,700 owners have been left in the dark.
They won't give us any true numbers or where they even stand on if, permits or if they're getting anything from FEMA and how much we're getting from insurance.
The Grand Shores owners elected board members, and the management company Vacatia serves at its direction.
They keep saying they want to have a vote, but we still aren't seeing any vote.
In a statement to 8 on Your Side, Scott Weber, Senior Vice President of Hospitality, wrote, "It is not Vacatia's place to decide Grand Shores West future. With the resort's remediation and reconstruction cost expected to exceed insurance funds, the board has decided to put the decision to rebuild at a potentially significant cost to all owners or terminate the timeshare to an all-owner vote rather than restrict it to board members only."
We would like to see it rebuilt, not torn down. We'd like to see it fixed.
The town attorney of North Redington Beach says on May 22nd, 2025, an application was filed to acquire an interior demolition permit. The property owner has not yet paid the $364 plan review fee associated with that application. Adding, on August 1st, 2025, a stop work order was placed on the property after the building official observed workers performing roofing work without a permit. And it sounds all too familiar for those living out this nightmare on Belleair Beach.
We are paying into something that we don't know what or if ever will be able to be rebuilt.
The Chapmans turned to 8 on Your Side after seeing our story about the Nautical Watch timeshare, which is also under the management of Vacatia.
I thought for sure when this first happened, I thought within a year we'd all be back in here using it again.
Clearly not.
No.
The Chapmans want to see the numbers before taking a vote, but they would ultimately like to see the Grand Shores West rebuilt so they can continue making good memories with their family and friends. I'm Brittany Muller, 8 on Your Side.